Welcome to the Day of Stone Age peoples! Come into the cave!
As the night slowly fades, a Stone Age family sleeps peacefully inside their cave. The fire beside them burns softly. As morning arrives, one man wakes up. He stretches his tired arms and looks at his family. Before leaving, he gently kisses his children, a silent promise of protection. He steps out of the cave and pauses. Before him lies a beautiful prehistoric jungle, covered in mist and morning light. Birds move through the trees as the world slowly comes alive. He walks toward a nearby lake. Kneeling beside the water, he washes his face and hands, feeling the cold stream wake his body for the day ahead. Returning to the cave, check his tools and enter inside the cave, where the family begins to rise. The fire is stirred back to life, and quiet movement fills the cave. Food is shared, and the day begins together. Outside, stone tools are checked and sharpened. The children watch closely as skills are passed from one generation to the next, checking their tools carefully. The whole family prays to God before leaving for the hunt. Then, all of them move outside the cave, and group of hunters leaves for the hunt. Moving carefully through the jungle, they watches every sound and shadow. He studies footprints on the ground, signs of animals nearby. They were just near to caught their target. Suddenly, he runs forward and throws his spear with all his strength. The hunt is successful. Breathing heavily, he gives thanks. Survival depends on moments like this. Carrying the meat on his shoulder, he walks back toward the cave, moving from the beautiful jungle. His family sees him from a distance and rushes forward with joy. They thank their God for the success and food for their family. Together, they cut the meat and prepare the food. The fire grows stronger as meat cooks above the flames. Warm light fills the cave and the family eats together. Laughter and comfort replace hunger and fear. Finally, the family sleeps again. Another day ends just as it began. Together, surviving, enduring. This was life in the Stone Age. Simple, dangerous,